Hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Dual Sport here, and it is October 11th here in Fairbanks, Alaska, and I'm just trying to get as much riding in as I can. I was thinking about driving out here to a park that's by a river. I brought my Phantom drone. Maybe we can fly it around and get some good shots. Tell you, I've been watching these videos lately where these guys are going out riding and they're talking about having heated grips and heated gloves. I tell you what, I got to get me some of those things. A lot of traffic. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon here. I could get out no problem. I just have to watch for these other cars. That's how you do that. I'm not too bad. Feel pretty warm actually. Cold's kind of cutting through my pants, but I'm wearing a base layer underneath that's actually some of my kayaking gear. It's got titanium flakes in it. Supposedly it holds in your body heat and lets out the sweat and keeps you dry. Alright, we're going to turn left up here at the base of this little hill. Nobody behind us, at least for a good ways. Let's make the turn. Somebody down here on a bike. Fishing. So this here is the Tanana River. The Chena River that flows through Fairbanks comes into it just right up here. Now look at that big thing up on the shore there. The river is way down because usually it's up equal with this bank here. You can see on the other side how far it's down. Crazy. Alright, well I don't want to go through there. There's a campfire, probably nails. That's what's good about a dual sport. Go where you want to go. Yeah, all this is usually underwater. Look at that big tree. Talk about a piece of driftwood. Nice view. All sandy. Pretty cool. This river, the Tanana River, flows into the Yukon. Let's go out through here and explore. I'll check it out. Now that the river's down, we can go down here on the riverbank. Nice. Somebody dumped their leaves. Couldn't ask for a better landing than that. Yeehaw. Stop recording. Oh yeah. Now the first thing you need to do is turn off the Phantom. Seen people hit the remote off first and then it flies away. All right, successful flight. We'll see if the footage came out, because I went on a trip not too long ago, took my Phantom, and none of the footage came out. And I had spectacular footage too. I was pretty pissed. And then I took my other drone, my Typhoon Unique, and all the files were corrupted on it. So I don't have a clue what went on there. Maybe a faulty SD card or something. All right, let's package this sucker up, put it away. It's nice to get out and take a ride today. All right, guys, that was a lot of fun. Now let's act like a tree and leave. Forgot to latch my helmet. That is not a good thing.